now we are heading towards Mirpur 11 Kacha Bazar. Because from the people around, we have heard that there's a special stall which serves a very special item which is known as Dim Chop. And the name of the stall is Minu Dim Chop. So let's head towards that stall, hoping that we should have their delicious Dim Chop. You can find meat dish at each and every area of the city, but this one is totally different. I bet you can't find chop like this in any other places of the city. But what's the secret that made this chop so special? And now we have reached our destination, that's Pallavi Section 11, and we are in front of Minu Dim Chop. Okay, and here goes the staff of them. This one is the teeny quail's egg. And other than this, I'm seeing here some livers, marinated livers they are. There go so many items in their menu chart, but let's hear what's their special one from the shopkeeper. ভাইয়া, আপনি তো দোকানে কর্তৃপক্ষ। এখানকার সবচেয়ে বিখ্যাত কোন জিনিসটি?
কোয়েল পাখির ডিম চপ।
কোয়েল পাখির ডিম চপ এবং কোয়েল পাখি ভাজা। কোয়েল পাখির ডিম চপ আপনাদের এত নাম করা। তো এর পেছনে কি কোনো বৈশিষ্ট্য আছে কিনা যার কারণে এটা?
আমাদের যে স্পেশাল যে মশলাটা আছে, কাবাব মশলাটা সিক্রেট।
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে। As he was saying, the special one of them is the quail boss egg chop. But the secret ingredient is they won't reveal to us. So let's go through the procedures of making this special quail's egg chop. ভাইয়া এটা কি দিচ্ছেন? আচ্ছা, আলু। They have used and it's ready. Here comes that quail's egg chop. Directly from the pan to my hand. Here are total 10 eggs are here, but each and every eggs are separate from one another and they are served using this minced potatoes texture along with this onions and chilies. So let's have a try on it. I can't control myself from having it. Super scrumptious, super. Literally, it's a wholesome package of deliciousness within. It was a super experience of mine to have this special chop of them. I must recommend you people to have it for once, as it's so good. A Sheikh kebab one, it requires to be a little spicier. Oh, this one is the special paratha. Potato paratha or aloo paratha we say. I must say, this one is a must trying paratha. You must try it out. It's totally different from the regular potato parathas we take. Oh, we have another item. Each and every items I'm having here are too different from the regular ones we take. We regularly take the potato chops in a deeply fried forms, right? We don't take this kind of sorted potato chops regularly, and that's creating the difference of it. So let's have a try on this special potato chop. Too hot. They are having another one. Oh, when should I stop? This one is the fried bird. Quail it is. Fried quail. Five of them along with salt. So let's try it out. Oh my god, there goes another one. And this one is the beef liver. It's super spicy. Seriously? Oh. Here goes our final one here. I promise this one would be the final one. So let's have a try on the brain. It really don't require any effort to have it all along. Like, as I was putting in my mouth, it's gone. It's that much moist and that much soft. All are very good, but if I recommend, and that will be the quail egg chop. That's the one I highly recommend to you people. That felt something really very unique and something really very delicious to me. So that was it here. Let's move forward to other treasures of Maypur.
For more updates, subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update.